Welcome to White Lotus inventory session. In this session, we will learn how to import or export data from inventory voucher. Let us go to the package. Let us call taxable sales in voucher. I will go to previous voucher. Suppose if at all I want to export this contents to Excel, go to export command. It will open the Excel and the contents are exported to Excel. Now here we can save this Excel file. I will save this Excel file to 2097-2003 format. I will give voucher name file. I will go to desktop. I will give the file name as exported voucher and save it. I will do one thing. I will minimize it. I will go to the pack. I will go to Excel again. I will make some changes to the Excel file. I will copy the contents. I will make it 2 articles to 4 articles. Escape it, and I will delete this column and I will save again. I will close this file. Like this we can export and make the changes to the existing exported file and save it. Like in the same manner we can import the contents from Excel to the voucher. Let us see how we can do it. The basic fundamental requirement of this Excel file should be in below 2003 format, and second thing is the column numbers should match with the contents. Like in column 1 the article name should be there, and column 2 article name should be there, in column 1 article code should be there, and in quantity should be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th column, and rate should be in 5th column. Like in the same fashion we have to maintain the data in Excel. So I will import article code, and in 5th column I will import article rate, and I will import article quantity. So for first column I have to maintain article code. So let us open the saved Excel file that is exported. I'll copy this, Ctrl C. I'll paste the Excel file to, and I'll make it import voucher, and I'll open the Excel file. I'll delete all this column is not required. This is also not required. I'll insert 3 empty columns. Sorry, I have to insert it. So I'll give this column name as A, B, C, D, E. So I want data. A column I want data. B, C is not required. D is also not required. E, rate is required. So I'll copy the rate is also E. So how to copy this contents to E? Also I will delete this and make it E column. And F is also not required. G is required. So let us confirm G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is required. G, H, I. Sales tax is high. G, H, I is also required. And I will delete the rest of the columns which are not required. Suppose if you want to have bags, we can put it like this. It's not a problem. Now I will save this voucher file. Excel file. Now this data also is not required. Rate is there, quantity is there, this data is not required. This data is not required because it can be calculated by the voucher. I have saved it. Now 4 column values should be called to the voucher. I have saved it. Close the Excel file. Now if I want to import the voucher, go to add button, select the party name like AABB, select it. Now just go to import button, call the Excel file that is imported voucher, select it and open it. The contents are imported to the concerned columns. Now just select it, and if you want to save voucher, just save it. Go to previous button, go to next button. The contents and all the things are calculated. Like this we can import the contents of the voucher to a file. Thank you for attending this session.